Sleipnir. A standard bus can't be used for excursions to particularly snowy places with a grassyte, mountainous terrain. Sleipnir was developed especially for such situations. Not in vain, the developers call it the largest and safest way to travel on glaciers. The bus was designed specifically to show tourists the beauty of Iceland. Sleipnir is equipped with 65 and 78-inch tires that allow it to overcome any obstacle, be it valleys, glaciers, or even volcanoes. At the same time, the passengers of Minya can sit comfortably during the trip. Inside there are leather seats, a modern air conditioning system, and private, fully equipped bathrooms. The developers also added panoramic windows so tourists will remember the unforgettable landscape of Iceland forever. Bliss Mobil 20-foot. And here is an expedition unit that can be installed on almost any 6-wheel truck. In this case, the truck is a Mercedes Benz Zetros. Its dimensions are the same as a shipping container, so it can also be mounted on a container truck. In any case, inside, you'll find everything you need for a comfortable life. The manufacturer offers several layout options. One is designed to accommodate 6 people with sofas that transform into beds. The other is for 4 people, and the beds are fixed. Another variation, with the bed above the sofa, allows 8 people to stay inside. It goes without saying that Bliss Mobil 20-foot has a working plumbing system, ventilation, insulation, heating and air conditioning, as well as a full power supply. The latter can also be provided by solar panels. An additional advantage is the compartment for transporting ATVs. DM Polycar, 4x4 Torsus Praetorian. The next vehicle is a 4-wheel drive medical evacuation bus. It's based on a Torsus Praetorian off-road bus. The interior is divided into 2 zones. The first has 9 comfortable seats for medical personnel. There are also drawers for medical supplies. The second zone is designed for the patients. The stretches can be easily placed on the removable arms attached to the wall. There's enough space for 6 stretches. The hydraulic sliding elevator makes it easy to move the patients. It can load a wounded person without disturbing them in just 25 seconds. The medical personnel's efforts are kept to a minimum. The bus itself shows high off-road performance. It can be operated even in difficult weather and road conditions. Crawler OTAG 600. This expedition caravan from the German company Crawler will help you feel powerful while experiencing the highest comfort. The model was designed specifically for the harsh off-road conditions, but inside you can find almost the same furniture and equipment as in a normal, fully fledged house. For example, a 4-person dining table, a full-fledged fridge, a transforming sofa, and a bathroom with a shower sink and an electric toilet. Apart from the travelers, the OTAG 600 is capable of carrying up to 132 gallons of water, providing the van with heating and hot water. The manufacturer offers several layout options, and the capacity depends on them. In one of the configurations, for example, the bunk beds are replaced by a desk. Rheinmetall HX 10x10. Military vehicles have much higher requirements than civilian vehicles. That's why we couldn't help but include the HX 10x10 from Germany's Rheinmetall on today's list. The first thing that catches your eye is the improved suspension, which allows the axles to move almost independently of each other when driving over bumps. The model has high cross-country ability while being very maneuverable. It's excellent for professional logistics and support of troops. About 150 of these vehicles have been produced. They've shown impressive results while being used by armies around the world. Denmark, Sweden, New Zealand, Australia and many other countries have placed large orders to buy these vehicles.
Rotel Bus. The next vehicle we'll talk about is parts of a very interesting project. The German tour operator Rotel Tours created a hybrid between a tour bus and a convenient hotel. The fleet offers 3,400 beds and serves groups from 20 to 40 people. Virtually all Rotel buses are modified versions of the Mercedes 4. There's also a small kitchen and a toilet. There are no showers or bathrooms, and tourists have to travel in a small space, so the hotel tours are designed for people who are not looking for comfort. However, they have good off-road ability so they can travel both on mountainous terrain and in the desert. There are several different routes in Africa, Asia, and Europe. ARMIS 6x6. This military truck is from 2020. It's designed for military logistics and tactical tasks around the world. The upgraded reinforced ARMIS 6x6 chassis allows armies to move confidently off-road and even overcome the steepest climb. Here, you can see how the truck moves on a 50% slope. Another important feature is the multi-purpose platform, which allows carrying people cargo equipment as well as shelters of different sizes. The manufacturer highlights the vehicle's maneuverability, durability and adaptability. The truck can be easily transported by air or by train. In addition, it requires less maintenance than its competitors. Into the Glacier. And here is another vehicle designed to travel on the glaciers of Iceland. This time a MAN truck chassis has been modified for touring purposes. They've been equipped with larger tires with a deeper tread pattern. The vehicle's equipped with an automatic pumping system so the tires can be adapted to different terrains in their normal state. They prevent the 20-ton truck from getting stuck in the snow. Meanwhile, flat tires are better to travel with more comfort on rocky and stony terrain. The vehicle can also wade through water, and a powerful lighting system mounted on the roof ensures safe travel even away from roads with street lamps. Toyota Coaster Bus 4x4. The motorhome you see on your screens is the most popular model of the Australian company Bus 4x4, which specializes in converting regular vehicles into caravans. Right now you're seeing a modified Toyota Coaster Bus all-wheel drive independent suspension differentials, upgraded fronts and rear shock absorbers. The bus has been equipped with everything to become a cross-country vehicle. And since Australia is a country with extremely difficult terrain, the model is ready for the toughest tests. STREIT Group Hurricane. The last vehicle we'll talk about today is a military-wheeled armored personnel character, which boasts STREIT 4569 Level 4 protection. This means that it comes with standard mine blast, even if it explodes under the vehicle. It also has anti-bullets, anti-shrapnel and anti-mine protection. An important feature is the increased space crew, which expands the scope of work. For example, a Hurricane can be used for evacuation as well as command and control missions. In addition, if necessary, the vehicle can be equipped with heavy weapons from anti-tank to anti-aircraft long-range missiles. The 380 horsepower engine and tire inflation system gives the vehicle a great off-road advantage. At the end, as I always says, like and share the video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel.